What if I told you? One worker has 3 years of experience, and the other is a complete beginner. Today we test USB connector soldering. Same product, same tools, different skill levels. The result is surprising. With traditional hand soldering, experience still matters. But with the right soldering system, even beginners can achieve stable, clean joints in minutes, less training, more consistency. Higher efficiency. Contact me to get more solutions for your products.